What is good, my champion? Welcome back to another video. So, for today's video, guys, this is just a quick, you know, update of what's happening. And yeah, I have been busy from the past weeks, months, due to other priorities. Of course, VIP students, personal life, other things na ginagawa ko, hobbies. So, I try to balance things out. And then, I've been receiving a lot of messages din kasi regarding, sir, bakit hindi kayo mag-vlog? Bakit hindi kayo, like, everyday mag-update sa amin, this and that? Okay, so I do understand that. Some people may be demanding of that. I might do so, probably in the next few weeks or so. And this is just one way for me to, try to give back. And to make it clear, I think siguro naman from the past like 200 videos that I made, pretty much marami nang natuto, no? From the basic approach that I've been teaching dito sa YouTube and other platforms. Using the TFP Warrior system. Okay? Take note, guys. That is just a basic approach of how I understand things nung ako ay nagsisimula. And I'm just sharing with you that from that basic approach, pwede naman talaga kayong kumita decently. Alright? No one is forcing you to enroll to my VIP courses. I avail the masterclass recorded videos para matuto kayo na hawak nyo pa rin yung oras nyo. Again, these are just options na walang rason para hindi kayo magsimula sa pag-trade. And I just come across one comment from this lady, right? I think she's been following me for quite some time now. And she said, nag-resign na daw siya. So, I'll just post the comment here. So, tignan nyo na lang kung saan part ng video, probably here. She said na nag-resign na siya sa kanyang work. Okay? And because, I guess, she's pursuing her trading career. Okay? So, again, that may be good for her. Pero tandaan natin, guys, I'm not encouraging anyone, okay, or even forcing anyone na mag-resign kayo sa trabaho nyo. Alright? So, for some people, they have that, light bulb moment na maybe this is the right time na really, step up their game pagdating sa trading. Kasi, kailangan sa personal nyo, di ba? You have to reflect. Ano ba talagang gusto nyo gawin? Okay? For some people, gusto lang nila na, maging hobby lang yung pagtitrade, kumita lang ng few dollars here and there, few hundreds of dollars. Yung iba naman, they really want to make it as a living. They want to really make it as a career. Okay, tulad ko, di ba? Lahat naman tayo dumaan sa pagiging empleyado. And nothing wrong with that. Okay? Some people found their, peace na found their peace na maging employee lang, di ba? For the rest of their lives. Okay? Some people na they just want to, be an employee so that they can pay their bills. Okay? I think that's the main reason, di ba? Kaya yung iba hindi makapag-resign kasi natatakot sila and they don't have any option. Yun lang yung kaya nilang gawin. Yun lang alam nilang gawin. Dahil marami nga silang babayaran. Lalo na kung may pamilya na kayo, may mga anak. That's a different story, di ba? So, again, you have to know your priorities first. Okay? And sabi ko nga, ipapasok kayo sa industry to, trading. Huwag kayong ma-hype dahil nakikita nyo na kumikita ng malaki yung nakikita nyo sa social media. Okay? That is just the tip of the iceberg. Yung nakikita nyo, that is just the, tawag dito, yung panlabas, di ba? Behind those success, di ba? Yung struggles, failures, di ba? Madami din yun, okay? Siguro hindi na lang share kasi some content creators kasi they just want to hype up people, okay? Siguro may out of, I do get that naman. Kasi yung mga tao ngayon, psychologically, they want to attract good things. And that is why they try to find motivation dun sa mga content creators na nagpapakita ng mga bagay na hindi nila na-achieve pa. Okay? Tulad ng like sports car, like mga bahay, di ba? Di ba? I guess, natutuwa kayo pag nakakita kayo ng mga vlogs na, okay, nagpapagawa ng bahay, vlogs na related sa mga cars, o kaya kung ano man. Again, if yung goal nyo is motivation, walang problema doon. Manood kayo nun, entertain yourself, try to forget something kung may problema kayo. That's one way to, a little bit, 'di ba, makalimot sa problema, alright? Pero sa mundo kasi ng trading, okay, hindi lahat ng content creators are genuine. Alright? Tandaan nyo guys, there are people who are really noisy or pangit yung term na noisy, no? Na maingay sa social media, okay? They want to hype you up, okay, this and that, this kind of lifestyle I have, alright? Pero at the end, okay, there's like more a funnel na at the end, bibentahan kayo ng product. Again, I'm nothing against those people. I'm just explaining on a business perspective kasi. Okay? Tandaan nyo guys, when someone suddenly, diba, naging content creator, and then ang dami nilang sinasabi, this and that, and then at the end of the day, the end of the video, bibentahan ka ng produkto or what, without providing value first. Okay? Iba kasi yung motivation lang, di ba, na binibigay. And then, tapos, lalabas, bilhin mo muna to. Okay? So, ang point ko doon, walang masama doon. Okay? Ang nagiging masamang impression kasi, what can you show us, di ba, na makumbinsi kami that itong ginagawa mo, itong produkto mo, like example, EA, kung ano man, is legitimate. Okay? So, for myself naman, I'm not trying to, yung mga ibang ganun, no? So, again, that's their way of, like, diba, it's business. For me kasi, it's just my passion of teaching. Kasi bakit? The reason I sell courses, not really to earn money from courses alone. Okay? Tandaan nyo guys, why do I charge people for courses? Why do I charge people for coaching? One-on-one coaching? Because you're using my time. Diba? So, that means, yung mga value na binibigay ko, hindi usually nyo makukuha yan on the public knowledge lang. Diba? Or public contents. Okay? And that is yung mga bagay na talagang pinaghirapan ko when I was starting. Okay? So, syempre, when you have something as valuable as it is, do you accept na libre lang yun? Ang point ko na is, kakain kasi yun ng oras ko. Alright? And take note, commitment kasi yan. When I say commitment, imagine, 3 months of me teaching that person, diba? Para, from scratch yun, I mean, majority kasi iba ko estudyante, from zero knowledge. I mean, may basics silang alam, pero, I mean, that's it. Diba, kung ano lang napapanood nila, yun yung ginagawa nila. And pretty much common. So, nag-gauge ko yung estudyante if ang alam nila ay average, slightly average, or may advance, or tumagal lang dahil lang, on and off. Okay, so, kayo, matetest ko. Kasi I do have some questions na malalaman ko kung may alam ka o wala. Okay? And that comes through experience. Right? So, ang point ko dito is, maraming ways para makapasok sa industry to. Alright? And kung kayo is really eager, going back dun sa topic natin na resignation, di ba? Na pagiging empleyado. Kung kayo ay eager talaga na mag-stay sa industry to, okay, might as well start with yourself. Mag-invest kayo sa learning muna. Lagi ko sinasabi to, ang dami ko ng videos, guys. Huwag muna kayo mag-avail ng mga copy-copy trading, ng mga EA, without understanding first yung basic foundation ng pag-trade. Okay? Pwede naman kayong manood ng mga videos na free, di ba? But start from the basics. Huwag nyo muna kayong pag-aralan yung mga strategy. Your aim first is not to earn money in the first place. Tandaan nyo, ang first phase para makapasok sa industry to is not really to earn money. Di ba? Contrary sa iniisip ng lahat. Kasi when they start, gusto ko kumita agad, blah, blah, blah. You really want to go always for the shortcut, diba guys? So, yun yung problema. Kaya majority or the 90% of the people lose sa trading. Because, masyado kayo na-attract sa pera agad. Tandaan nyo guys, para lang yan, para lang yung career sa trabaho nyo, diba? Before you go to a managerial level, ano ginagawa nyo? You gain more experience. Diba? You go to the example, nasa industry kayo ng manufacturing, you go to the process floors, di ba? Aralin yung mga proseso so that you can be a master of that. Alam nyo na yung pasikot-sikot. So that when the higher ups, the higher management sees potentially in you, okay, na alam mo yung ginagawa mo, you know lahat ng mga goods and you see like improvement dun sa process, is they will assign you something of higher responsibility pero with compensation. Ibig sabihin, merong kapalit yung ginagawa mong effort na aralin muna dun sa ground bago ka tumaas, bago ka mag-manage ng tao, bago ka mag-take up ng mga mabibigat na decision, di ba? Ganon din dito sa buhay, di ba? Bago kayo maging master sa pagtitrade, alamin nyo muna. Hanggang saang level ba ako? Nasaan na ba ako ngayon? Do I really know a lot now? O, di ba? So, that means you have to start first of learning. Huwag muna kayo mag-isip na kailangan ko kumita dito next week, $100 ngayon o $300 next week. Huwag muna kayo mag-target ng profit. Okay? Targetin nyo, okay, ngayong month, ano yung kailangan ko aralin? The second month, anong kailangan kong aralin next? And try to accumulate learning first. Okay? So, maraming resources. There are my videos, di ba, na free. You really want to shorten your learning curve, di mag-enroll ka sa mga courses. It doesn't necessarily to have you enroll sa akin or bilhin mo yung mga masterclass lessons. Okay? So, maraming dyan, ng mga ibang nag-offer naman ng services na like sa pag-aaral, like sa academy, may mga dyan, nagtuturo, di ba? So, again, there are a lot of options, pero ang aim nyo dapat, learning muna. Okay? So, kaya, this is just a video telling you na hindi laging sagot ang resignation. And resignation, para sundin yung gusto nyong career, like sa pagtitrade, is not for everyone. Okay? Iba kasi mabigat talaga yung responsibilidad. Pag huminto kasi kayo agad, nang wala kayong alam, at ang nangyari is, resign muna, and then saka ako mag-aaral, kakain ng orasyon, di ba? And walang pumapasok na pera sa'yo. Kung yun lang alam mo. Di ba? Kung yun lang yung source of income mo, yung pagiging employee. I suggest on general advice, no? I mean, it's not for all. Pero, considering average Joe for everyone na empleyado, keep your job first. Okay? And then, alongside, mag-aaral kayo. Pagsabay nyo. Wala kang choice kundi pagsabihin mo talaga yung dalawang bagay. But it doesn't necessarily mean na kumain ka ng malaking oras pag-aaral. I mean, a small fraction, baby steps, ika nga. So, everyday consistency na gagawin mo yun, mag-accumulate yun ng mga bagay na everyday may natututunan ka. Diba? So, that means, gaya ng ginagawa ko nun, habang nagtatrabaho ako nun, inaaral ko na yung trading. Pinagsasabi ko yan. Okay? But, I organize my time. Minamanage ko yung oras ko well. Okay? Hindi yan basta matripan ko lang mag-chart ngayon. Bukas sa makalawa, hindi na. Next week na ulit. I mean, I try to make it another career. Parang ginawa ko is, okay, dalawa yung trabaho. Isa mag-aral, isa habang meron akong professional career as an engineer, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nun, alam ko yung gusto kong mangyari. Meron na akong na-foresee saan yung direction ko. Kailangan nyo rin yun. Kailangan nyo ng vision. Hindi pwedeng aralan kayo dahil gusto nyo lang. Na-hype kayo sa social media. Na-hype kayo kasi persado ka. Pag hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo, hindi papasok sa kokote mo yan. Alright? Kahit gaano katagal ka mag-aral, you have to like what you are doing. Okay? Sa simula siguro, may hirapan ka. Pero that's the beauty of, success. No success is sweeter when you haven't known defeat, ika nga, or hindi mo pa na-experience lumugmok talaga, diba? So, again, it's all about you foreseeing, diba? Having that vision. Anong gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo? Right? So, on a general rule, okay, for me, as I advise you guys, if you have already a good savings, kahit tumigil ka ng few months, okay, nag-resign ka ngayon, na hindi maapektuhan yung financial support mo sa family mo, sa sarili mo, then okay lang mag-resign. Habang mag-full time ka mag-aaral talaga. Mas maganda yun kasi bakit? buong oras mo, 8 oras o even more than 8 hours nag-aaral ka, walang distractions. Okay? You can also manage your time well na nasa bahay ka habang naka-focus ka sa pag-aaral. If you have enough savings na hindi apektado yung commitments mo or responsibilities mo sa family or kung may pamilya ka na or anak, okay lang yan. Pero if yung pagiging employee mo is, 'di ba, hanging, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin, yun lang talaga yung bumubuhay sa pamilya mo. Don't take that leap agad na mag-resign, okay? Pagsabayin mo muna. Okay, that's a good, I think, advice para may pumapasok pa rin na pera, you still cope up with your responsibilities sa bills. Pero the same time, nag-aaral ka. Ang kalaban mo lang dyan is you have to sacrifice some time. Compromise mo yung ibang oras siguro. May oras ka sa panood ng TV, pag sa cellphone, alisin mo yon, ilaan mo sa pag-aaral ng trade. Para, step by step, nakukuha mo kung saan mo yung gustong direction. You will thank me later after a year or 6 months or so. Kasi bakit? Makikita mo yung big difference na kumikita ka na sa pagiging employee mo, may natutunan ka pa, and then there's a huge potential na maging full-time ka. And, of course, that's freedom, di ba? So, again, it's not all about money. It's all about commitment. It's all about, gaining knowledge. Okay? Kung magsisimula ka ulit from scratch, zero, gagawin ko pa rin yung ginawa ko nun. I will fail. Okay? But, yung effort na ginawa ko nun, same. Diba? Same, committed, dedicated, whatever happens, kasi alam ko yung gusto kong mangyari. And here I am right now, sharing this advice to you guys. So, salute to this person, to this girl, okay, na nag-resign siya because she really knows what she wants. Diba? Dedicated siya. So, most probably, I suppose she have enough savings naman to sustain yung kung anumang lifestyle meron siya. Pero, ngayon sabi nga guys, huwag kayo masyadong ma-hype sa mga social media nagpapakita ng mga travel vlogs, sports car, okay? That's good for motivation. Pero, let's be realistic, not all people is ganun agad ang status. Diba? Okay? So, I'm speaking on behalf of, on the general common Joe, diba? Sa society na, okay, let's say, masahod lang kayo ng ganito. Basic lang, 'di ba? And then you still want to, earn money. But start first. Ang laging bridge na dyan, learning. Pag wala yung bridge, hindi kayo makakapunta doon sa gusto niyo puntahan man kung saan. Right? So I hope nakapagbigay naman ako ng like inputs, and this is just me sharing with you. So probably in the next few days I might do vlogs. Kasi bakit? I think I have taught a lot of things na dito, 'di ba? So, kahit panoorin niyo lahat ng 200 plus videos ko, marami kayong matutunan. And I can attest to that. Kasi bakit? Marami akong followers, subscribers na hindi naman nag-enroll sa akin, but they are sharing their results through private messages na they are doing well dun sa mga tinuturo ko publicly. Alright? So, again, but if you decided, like, siguro, nagising ka lang na, okay, I really have to make this as a career. Okay? We can talk about it, di ba? There is my one-on-one mentorship program. Meron din tayong, kung gusto niyo, hawak yung oras nyo, you can learn at your own pace. There's the masterclass recorded lessons. Okay? So, again, trading is not for everyone, but everything can be learned. So, you have to fit in dun sa industry. Alright? So, I hope this video makes sense and provide tayo ng motivation for you guys. So, yeah, this is just a short video. Just a catch-up, So, I might do vlogs, sabi nga. And, yeah, so, see you all on the next videos. God bless, and, yeah, have a good day. Alright, guys. So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And, yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless,
this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully, guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.